learn about vehicles today. Car. Cars move on the road. Bus. Buses carry many people. Bike. Bikes go fast. Truck. Trucks carry big things. Boat. Boats sail on water. Ship. Ships go across the sea. Submarine. Submarines go under the water. Plane. Planes fly in the sky. Helicopter. Helicopters go up and down. Fire truck. Fire trucks help in a fire. Ambulance. Ambulances help sick people. Police car. Police cars keep us safe. So many vehicles everywhere. On land, in water, and in the sky. Vroom vroom, friends.